Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Keeble here. For today's lesson, I thought it would be kind of fun if we drew some gingerbread houses. So what I have for you here today is an idea sheet all about, all with different gingerbread houses on one side, all different styles of houses, just for examples. And then on the other side, I have different house shapes that you can look at, some doors, windows, and then at the bottom I've got a whole bunch of different kinds of decorations that you can choose from. And this is just an idea paper, so it's for you to get ideas to draw your own gingerbread houses. If you have your own ideas that are different from mine, then that's wonderful. You just go ahead and draw whatever kind of gingerbread house you like. I'm going to draw a few on here and kind of show you how I do it, just to maybe help get you started. But like I said before, you can draw whatever kind of gingerbread houses you want. They don't even have to be gingerbread houses. You could draw a gingerbread bus or a gingerbread rocket or a gingerbread hotel. It would be kind of cool. Whatever you would like, just for something fun. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna use a ballpoint pen, but you could really use anything. You could use a pencil. If you would rather start off with pencil, that's fine. You can use a gel pen. I also pulled out these gel pens that I have. They're all a variety of cool colors. I also took out some colored pencils because at the end, after I draw my gingerbread houses, I'm going to color some of them in with colored pencils. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out by putting some ground down on my paper. I want to have a hill in the foreground and a hill in the background, so it'll look like the houses in the front are going to be larger and the houses in the back are going to look a little bit smaller. But you could just do one hill right across the middle and do all your houses the same size. That would be fine too. It's really up to you. When you draw with ballpoint pen, it helps to hold the pen up as opposed to down like this. Sometimes it doesn't work as well. It seems to be working okay, but it does help if you hold the ballpoint pen a little bit more up and down. And then I'm going to make another part of the hill go this way. So now I've got a hill in the foreground and a hill in the background, and then I'm going to pick myself a house. I think I'm going to start with this one right here. So this house is a rectangle, and then this is called an equilateral. It's a four-sided shape. Then it's got essentially what is a triangle on top of another rectangle, on top of another rectangle. So I'm going to do that one. So I'm going to start out with a rectangle, just like that. And then I'm going to put another rectangle right here. On top of that rectangle, I'm going to give it a triangle. And then I'm going to make this four-sided shape for the back of the roof, just like that. And there's my first house. And I think I'm going to draw a couple of little houses over here. So I'm going to draw, let's see, I think I'm going to draw a skinny, tall, skinny one with a tall, skinny roof. And then I'm going to draw, I kind of like this one here. I'm going to draw that one. So that one starts out pretty much similar to this. I'm going to give it a little room, put it here. So I'm going to draw the middle section and then the peaked roof, which comes like this. And then the background of the house is kind of a rectangle here, and then the roof. So I'm going to do a rectangle here and a rectangle here, and then the roof comes out like this, and on this side like that. And there's that one. And I think I'm going to put some candy canes on the roof of this one. So I'm going to start by making my candy cane, and I want it to be upside down. There's one candy cane. And then the other one, let's see, I'm going to go right like this, and then maybe we'll do that, just like that. And then I'm going to give it some stripes for my candy cane, some stripes. And you can color your candy canes in whatever color you like. And then I'm going to give this little house a door and some skinny windows, because it's kind of a skinny little house. And then this one, I'm going to give it a door that has like a curved door. And I think I'll give it some peppermint stick candy around the door. And a doorknob. And maybe a window right here. And then some icicles. Icicles on the roof. And you can use all kinds of decorations on your gingerbread house. Here are a bunch of different decorations right here. And then for the windows, I have some icicles and then some scallops and some hearts, some swirlies, peppermint sticks. There's lots of different things you can do. Maybe for my roof, I'm going to give it some lines for some roof tiles, just like this. And I think it needs some windows right here. Window and a window, just like that. So when I start to color in, I think I'm going to use kind of a combination of these gel pens and colored pencils together. So maybe I'll start with coloring in my peppermint stick around my door, like that. And the same with this. I think I'll color in my candy canes with this gel pen. And then I'm going to switch to my colored pencils and color some more with my colored pencils. Just like this. And then I'm going to color in the windows. I'm going to color them in yellow because I want it to look like the lights are on inside. Color this yellow. Oh, this one sparkles too. And this one I'm going to color in yellow as well. And put my cat in the window. There's my cat up in the window. I think I'm going to use my colored pencil to color in that because it's got tiny details. There's my little cat up in the window. And then I'll color around it with the yellow. The fun part about doing this is that you can make them so different and so unique looking and put such fun little details into them. It's a little bit addicting actually. Make my icicles blue. And maybe I'll make this door green. Oh, this one doesn't seem to be working. That's okay. I'll find another green. Maybe this green. There we go, that worked. Make that door green. And I think I'm going to color this house blue. So you can mix colored pencils with gel pens, and you could even use marker. You could even use crayon if you want to. It's hard to get the little details using crayon, but if you want to, you could use crayon. I know they have those crayons that are called Twistables. One of the kids yesterday at school had them. They're really kind of cool, and they maybe will be a little easier than a regular crayon. I might want to add a little something to this roof. Maybe some scallops to the roof like this before I color it in. And I think I'll color that in brown. And I also want to add some details around the houses. So maybe I'll add a candy cane here and a candy cane here, like that. And some trees. maybe a peppermint stick tree like that, or flower, and then maybe some pine trees right here. Put some pine trees in there, and then I'll start to decorate this one. And what I'll do is I'll finish this and decorate it, and I'll put it into the assignment so you can look at it. But what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to find a piece of paper, and then whatever kind of supplies you have, like I said, it could even just be a regular old ballpoint pen or a pencil, your choice, and then something to color it with, and then use the paper that I have as the reference paper in the Google Classroom assignment to help you if you need a starting point to draw your gingerbread houses, and then draw yourself some gingerbread houses. When you finish drawing your gingerbread houses, take a picture and put it into the assignment. So submit it into the assignment before you turn in the assignment so I can see your amazing, neat, cool looking gingerbread houses. And then maybe you could give your gingerbread houses to someone that you love for the holidays, because I think that they're going to look amazing and I can't wait to see them. So that's your assignment for today. Have fun with it, enjoy it, and I miss you guys. I hope to see you soon, and that's it for now. All right, bye now.